guys, Michelle here from My Cold Therapy, and today we're going to dive into an important topic, and that is how to properly use the Omni Ice Pulse Compression Cold Therapy System. Follow along as you learn how to use its intuitive controls and explore additional features like customizable temperature settings and automated treatment cycles to optimize your healing process. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and any links to everything that we mentioned in the video, which you can find in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. The primary question often asked is, what is the Omni Ice Pulse Compression Cold Therapy System? This advanced device integrates targeted cold therapy with pulse compression to optimize recovery and reduce inflammation. It is particularly beneficial for post-operative care, athletic training recovery, and home use. The digital dashboard provides assurance by delivering the precise amount of cold therapy needed at the optimal time for your body. With adjustable high, medium, and low compression settings, you can tailor the treatment to your specific requirements. Additionally, you can select from 20, 40, or 60-minute sessions to fit your schedule and comfort preferences. What is pulse dynamic compression? We have created a video that provides a detailed explanation. You can access it through the link in the description box below. What is included with the system? We recently created an unboxing video for the Omni Ice System showcasing all the included components. Please refer to the link provided in the description below to view the video. Now we're going to demonstrate how to set up and properly use the Omni Ice System. First, you want to gently press in the tab and open the lid. After that, take the system and you're going to fill it with water to the fill line inside of the reservoir. Once you've filled the water to the water line, you're ready to add your ice. Go ahead, put your ice in. And we're using freezer bags. You can use ice cubes or freezer bags. The freezer bags do make blocks of ice and they don't melt as quickly as ice cubes. If you're using ice cubes, your water line should rise to the next level. That shows the ice line. After you've done that, you're going to want to put your lid back on and securely fasten it into place. Now you're ready to use the system. And below we have included a link to the product description box where you can purchase the freezer bags if you would like. Once you have filled the cooler with water and ice, place the pad you intend to use on the treatment area. You can find detailed instructions for applying the pad in the user's manual, which will be included with your system. Additionally, we have instructional videos for each pad accessible via the link provided in the description box. So today, I'm going to apply the knee pad. And as you can see, I'm placing this pad over some clothing. If the pad feels too cold against your skin, you do want to apply a barrier to prevent any type of discomfort or irritation. You can use an ace bandage, that's a really good barrier, a piece of clothing, or a thin towel. Once you have your pad in place, you're ready to connect your hoses. You're going to take the hose from the cooler and connect it to the hose on the pad. When you hear that click, that lets you know that it's secure. Once you've done that, you're going to want to take your hose from that pad and connect it to the hose on the cooler. You're going to notice on the connector there's a little notch. That notch needs to match up with the connector on the cooler. And you'll see that piece sticking out. Again, once you connect it, you hear the click, and that's how you know that it's secure. After you've done that, you're ready to take your power supply, plug it into the cooler, and plug the other end into the wall. And you will always want to make sure that you have your cooler set on an even surface. This just helps with its use. Now you're ready to begin your therapy. So how do you use the Omni Ice System? We have created an instructional video with step-by-step details on how to operate the control panel of your Omni Ice System. Please refer to the link provided in the description box below. So how does the water circulate? The device gently circulates cold water through an insulated hose to a specially designed pad that fits your body. This combination of cold therapy and gentle pressure is highly effective for promoting recovery. After completing your therapy session with the Omni Ice System, please ensure that you power off the cooler. After you finish using the cooler, what should you do next? After use, you want to unplug the power adapter from the wall outlet and the cooler. Next, detach the hose from the pad. Push down that button and it will disconnect. Many patients frequently ask how to remove the water from the pad. To address this common question, we have created an instructional video that provides step-by-step guidance on draining the water from the pad. Please refer to the link provided in the description box below to watch the video. The next step involves learning how to clean the cooler and understanding the best storage practices. We recommend gently wiping the cooler and reservoir with a damp cloth and a small amount of detergent after each use. If you plan to store the system, please also use a dry towel to remove as much water as possible. To store the system properly, keep it in a cool, dry, well-ventilated, and clean area. There are additional tips and important information about the Omni Ice Pulse Compression Cold Therapy System that you should know. We often receive questions about the warranty. Yes, both the cooler and the pad come with a 6-month warranty. When you receive your pad, you may notice a few holes. This is intentionally designed by the manufacturer to release pressure during use and to prevent condensation buildup. What is the noise level of the cold therapy system? It operates at a noise level below 55 decibels. The Omni Ice system weighs approximately 4 pounds when empty and about 7 to 10 pounds when filled with water and ice. Many patients often ask how long the water stays cold. The duration depends on factors such as the amount of water and ice in the cooler and the temperature setting in your home. Additionally, the water temperature should be kept between 32 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal use. How often should you use the pad? The universal rule of thumb is 20 minutes on, followed by 20 minutes off to avoid frostbite or skin damage. However, it is important to consult your physician to determine the best compression mode and duration for your specific needs. Do you need a skin barrier? While the pad includes a built-in barrier, it is advisable to use an additional barrier over your skin, such as an ACE bandage, a thin piece of clothing, or a towel. Please avoid applying the pad directly to your skin. If you encounter any issues with your system or the pad, you can find troubleshooting guidance in the user's manual. It offers helpful tips to resolve any problems you may encounter. A crucial tip to remember is about the buzzer alarm on the system. This alarm signals when there's low water or no water in the reservoir, indicating that you may need to refill it with more water. Another important feature to note is the digital dashboard. It shows you the temperature of the water while you're using the system. I encourage you to give the Omni Ice Pulse Compression Cold Therapy System a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below. We would love to hear about your experience. Also, don't forget to check the description box below for more information and helpful links. Make sure you like this video and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.